Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope you all are fit and fine. So, yesterday we have discussed about the causes of the biodiversity loss, or we can say the Abel quadrant. We have discussed about the habitat loss and fragmentation and the coexistence. Today we are going to discuss the alien species invasion and the overexploitation. The alien species invasion, when the alien species are introduced unintentionally or deliberately for whatever purpose. Some of them turn the invasive and cause the decline or the extinction of the indigenous species, so that the alien species causes the decline or the extinction of the all the indigenous species. Like you can see this example in this picture. For example of the alien species invasion are the Nile perch. It introduced into the Lake Victoria, which is present in East Africa, caused the extinction of more than 200 species of these fishes in the lake. And the another example of the alien species invasion is the invasive weed species like carrot grass, we call the Parthenium, lantana and the water hyacinth, commonly called the Eichhornia pistia, and cause the damage to our native species. You can see the pictures of the water hyacinth, lantana and the carrot grass. Examples of the alien species invasion is the illegal introduction of the African catfish, or we can say the Clarius gariepinus, for the aquaculture, is posing a threat to indigenous catfishes in our rivers. The next is the cause of the biodiversity loss. It is the fourth and the last cause of the biodiversity is the when co-extinction. Co-extinction means when a species becomes extinct, the plant and animals species associated with it in an obligatory way also become extinct. When a host fish species becomes extinct, its unique assemblage of the parasites also meets to the same fate. And the another example of is case of as co-evolved plant pollinator mutualism, where the extinction of one invariably leads to the extinction of the other species. As we know, we can easily see the plant pollinator mutualism of these examples in this picture. So children, hope this topic is clear. If any query, you can write in query box. Today's your homework is to revise this topic and write down notes of this topic from the PDF notes. Thank you children.